Many English learners often say, very bad. This expression is not incorrect, but in exams like IELTS, it sounds too basic and repetitive. To sound more fluent, try using stronger vocabulary instead. A good alternative is terrible. For example, the service was terrible. In other situations, especially when you talk about effects or results, you can use the word harmful. For example, smoking is harmful to health. Remember, improving your English does not mean using difficult words. It means choosing clear and appropriate vocabulary. Follow daily English tips for more simple lessons that help you get a higher IELTS band score. If you don't subscribe, you won't be able to learn with me ever again. I will see you in the next lesson.